you how I did this look, the no makeup look. And if you want to see how it's done, just keep on watching. To start off, I'm using my Mario Badescu facial spray in green tea and cucumber. And for my foundation, I use the Ordinary Serum Foundation in the shade 1.2. This is perfect for everyday makeup because it's just lightweight formula. So next, I'm using the Illuminating Primer Oil from Detail Makeover. I love this primer oil because it helps me blend out my foundation. This serum foundation gives you a natural finish look, especially if you want that glass skin effect look. As I blend it all out, as you can see how it penetrates on my skin, just give you a soft and smooth finish. I use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige and just conceal the dark circles. So I'm blending it all out. I love this shade because it matches my skin and I love how it conceals all my blemishes and my uneven skin tone. Just concealing all my pimple marks. And I'm using my ring finger just to blend it. I'm using this loose powder from Detail Makeover in the shade Natural. Using a spoolie, and I'm using this Detail Makeover eyebrow pencil in the shade light brown. This is my go-to eyebrow pencil because it is quick and easy to apply, especially if you are in a hurry. Give a natural finish look, and I'm concealing it using my LA Pro concealer. So next, I'm using this CoverGirl bronzer as my eyeshadow, because it gives you a natural finish, especially when you're aiming for a natural look. It's just so soft to apply. For my lashes, I'm using this Magnum Big Shot from Maybelline. For my cheeks, I'm using this Vice Cosmetics in the shade F&F. I'm just putting it on my cheeks and I'm gonna spread it out just to give a nice finish. sculpt my face, I'm using this contour kit from Bobby. Just a small amount, just to give a hollows on my face. For my lips, I'm using this Colorette Chicken Lip Tint in the shade Ondrei, and using my ring finger, I'm just gonna top it all out just to spread it evenly on my lips. And lastly, I'm using this highlighter. This one is from e.l.f. and this is my go-to highlighter. And I like to apply it on my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead. Love this because it gives me the glow. This is my final look. Hope you like it, guys. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in my next video.